Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girlia's Cards, which is Gloria, and UCY Amadiba, which is Lisa. Each week bring you a theme. This week's theme is fall or autumn or any kind of project related to that theme. And then also we enter our projects into hashtag Satmorn Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. And so the ladies' links will be down below. So make sure you go over and visit them and use our hashtag so that we can come visit you. All right, so this week I am using some items that I got from Lady Cree. She sent me a package a while back and it had a lot of some leaf scatter. And this is what she used, I do believe, which is from Cottage Cuts or Scrapping Cottage, and it's called Stitch Leaves, and I'm certain that's what she used. But this is all I have left to use. I believe last year I used some of these too, but I'm almost finished with those, but that's what I used. I'm also using from Honeybee Stamps Autumn, and I'm using also Blessings. From Bo Bunny, and I got this from Tuesday Morning, I am using this little stamped image right here. It's called Stain Texture Stamp. Now, whether or not you can find this, I have no clue, but that's what I'm using. And then from My Creative Time, I am using her 3.75 by 4.75 add-ons, and I am using several layers from here. And here are the cards that I created. They were in beautiful autumn colors. I thought it was perfect, and it saved me the time of die cutting them out. So I was so happy and thankful that I had those. Thank you so much, Lady Cree. And then I didn't show you the enamel dots because I use several kind. I just wanted to match them up with my colors, and I have a whole container full of enamel dots. So I didn't show that today. But the color that I'm using, if I'm not mistaken, is pumice stone oxide ink, and then I just used that to ink up that pattern in the background. I thought it was just perfect. Look at those colors, just beautiful, and it was perfect for autumn. And then there goes the inside of my card. Each card has a different leaf in the inside, but very much the same. But I wanted to use a different leaf on each one, and she had just enough in that package so that I could do so. So there goes that one. And then there goes the inside. And then here goes the last one. And here goes the inside. I thought that was perfect for autumn, and I love them. Now, next week's theme will be house. So you can create anything with a house on it. And go ahead and join in on our challenge, and also enter your projects into hashtag Satmorn Makes, and that's hosted by Jillian Norwood. The ladies' links will be down below, and that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.